Hey, girls and boys, happy Friday. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So, today, since it's Friday, here's what we're going to do. I'd like you to play a couple of the games that you've been playing this week. So, I'd like you to choose one of the addition ones, either the one where you add one with a 10 frame, or the number path, okay? Or one more in a row. Okay? So 4 in a row, one more 4 in a row. And for subtraction, pick one of these. So either the one with the 10 frame, or the number path, or the one less 4 in a row, which you've also played this week. So pick two games, one from where you have to add one, and one where you have to subtract one, okay? On the next slide, there's a cute little video of a cat who does not like to count forwards. He won't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He always counts backwards. He always goes 10, 9, 8, wait, 10, let's say 10, 9, 8. I keep doing the two hand. Okay, let me try this again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. He always counts backwards. He's a count back cat. It's very silly. I've mentioned this before. The reason it's important to be able to count backwards is it can help you with subtraction, right? Because if you are subtracting just 1, then as you're starting to see, it's just the number that comes before it when you're counting backwards. So 8 minus 1 gives you the number before it, which is 7, right? 7 minus 1 is 6. 6. I'm very bad at this, boys and girls. Let me try it again. 8 minus 1 is 7, okay? And then 7 minus 1, I'm very bad at it, is 6. Okay, you get the idea of it. And then if you want, optional, the last slide is the 10 frame mania, if you feel like playing that, which I love personally. It's how I spend my Saturday evenings, usually. Okay, boys and girls, have fun. Make sure you play at least one game of +1, one game of -1, and watch the video and practice counting backwards. Okay? And then you get your 10 frame mania. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.